You cannot have champagne with an ice bucket. So this is a sewing thimble. I found this at one of the dollar stores and it's perfect. I don't have to do anything to it. The next thing is going to be the ice. These are the backs of earrings. They are meant to keep the earrings on the cardboard, and if I cut them in half they would make a perfect ice cube. This earring, a different type of earrings, had these other ones which are even better. This one has already turned yellow, so I'm not going to be using that one. If you don't have any of this, then it's very easy. I'm going to be using this fork, this disposable plastic fork that is see-through, and break off little pieces, and that will be my ice. So I'm going to grab as much as I want the size of my ice cube to be and break it off. And do this until you have enough. I believe that we have enough to fill our ice bucket. And this was just with one fork. You can make them as tiny or as big as you wish. The next thing is the bottles of champagne. These are buttons. I found them on sale, a bag for 99 cents at Joann Fabrics. So I'm going to be making 2 bottles of champagne, one to be chilled. And it has these cute bubbles too. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to be cutting the back. And I'm going to do this inside a plastic bag because sometimes when I cut something like this, then it just goes off, jumps somewhere. I'm going to grab it from as close to the bottle as I possibly can. And the same thing to the other bottle. And there's a tiny little bit left here. I'm going to cut that off so that I can glue them together. This I will do with a box cutter. And whatever I couldn't cut away, I'm just going to be sanding it off to make it as flat as possible. And now I'm going to glue them together. I'm using super glue and I have to be super careful because I don't want to glue my fingers together like I have done in the past. And I'm just gonna hold it with these clothespins. I know that the base lines up and the top lines up, and I'll just have to wait until it dries. And I'm going to do the same thing to the wine glasses. I'm going to be putting 2 together and gluing them the same way with the crazy glue and then holding them with the clothespin.